everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So today we are doing one of our favorite videos, what came in the mail. I did not think I ordered as much as I did, but I did. So we are going to dive right into it because there's quite a few packages. I did require the shopping cart at the post office, so that's kind of how I gauge things. If you require the shopping cart, you've done too much shopping. Okay, this first thing here, I know is a LuLaRoe thing. I just know it because I know it. I have no idea what it is. Oh, I do think I know what it is. It's a dress. Maybe not. Oh, no, it's not. It is my joggers. So they're little polka dot joggers from the LuLaRoe. So we will definitely put those on and be comfy cozy today. Let's see what else we have in here. I think this package is from HSN. We'll see what we got. I think I know what it is. Yes, I do know what this is. There's stuff all over the floor. Okay, so I saw these and I had to have them. I was like, they're so precious for the summertime. And if you know anything about me, you know that I am a sucker for something with a lemon on it. So I picked up these here little lemon beaded earrings. How fresh is that gonna be with a yellow dress? So, fab, right? Fab! I got more stuff from HSN. Alright, so I know you guys just think I'm a nutball, but I continue to shop. Shop until you drop, especially when I can get things on clearance. Alright. This is what I think it is. It's a pair of pants. It is. And this is what I think it is. It's just a pair of palazzo pants. And they're in navy. And they have a slit up the side. I'll actually try clothes on for you guys because I know how much you guys love it, and then it helps me figure out what I'm going to return. If anything, I don't always return. Now, you remember a few videos ago when we were doing the mail, I bought some things from a company called Joyfully. So nothing seemed to fit right. It just wasn't for me. But when I returned it, all I got was a store credit. So I had to go there again. I just tried to buy things that were cut a little bit differently. So we have a whole sack of stuff here. And I will try it on and show it to you. Let's get started. So the first thing we have here is I believe, I know you don't want to hear shit. I don't want to hear it either. So this is a maxi dress, and it's kind of like a crushed velour velvet feel with an empire waist to it. We will try that on. It's pretty low cut and see what we think about that. The next thing I have in here is most of the dresses are maxi dresses. This is a little bit fancier, but it is a like gold and blue, and yeah, I will wear this to work, trust me, because I'm crazy. But it is just like a lacy type of dress. So yes, we will try that on too. Okay, the next Okay, you guys, sorry about that. My camera cut off because my card is getting full. So I'm not sure how much of that fell off, but I will try on all these dresses, and so you'll get an idea. Now, here is another one. This is obviously going to be a little stretchy dress. Like a dusty rose mauve colored, and it's very light and soft, and I didn't want to try that on. So let's figure out what else I have to open here. I think I have 3 more boxes. I actually have 4 more boxes, but 3 of them I'll open now, and then the other one I will open on a separate video because it happens to be my BoxyCharm box. Alright, so here's another package from HSN. I'm going to open that sucker up and see what we got here. I'm really super crazy. Oh, it's more clothes. My husband is going to divorce me. I swear to God. I swear he will. It's like, woman. Okay. So this, I saw it and I was like, this is fabulous. I have to have it. So it's a, it's from a company called Curations and I got it, like I said, on HSN. And it is a maxi dress, and it's a cream colored, lacy, beautiful dress. If it doesn't fit me, I might scream. I might have to send it back and get an extra large, but we're gonna see, because it is just beautiful. We'll try that on too. And then on clearance, they had some like dress pull-up pants, and let me tell you something. I used to laugh at my poor mother because she wore pull-on pants. Life-changing. Absolutely life-changing. So these are just as precious as they can be. They're hot pink, and they're just a pair of dress pants that you pull on. So, yeah. Perfect with a little white blouse. Little polka dot blouse. So those are the 2 things that came in that box. Now, I know what this is. And when I saw these, I had to have them because I'm just crazy. But I had to have them. And you'll see why. So amazing. Needless to say, I needed another pair of Doc Martens because they were Hello Kitty ones. And they're not obnoxious Hello Kitty, like Hello Kitty all over the place. But they are freaking amazing, and they say Hello Kitty on the back. What? Look, I love it. I love it. I know. I'm 45 years old, and I love Hello Kitty. And the little laces are like shimmery silver. Oh, they're amazing. So, and this is like a little Hello Kitty in a yellow. The other one was in red. Yeah. So I have to try those on to make sure they fit. I'm sure they will because, you know. Because I love Hello Kitty. Alright, guys. I only have one more box that I want to open with you, and this box is from Melt Cosmetics. Yes, Melt Cosmetics. And I'm not even sure anymore what I bought. I love Melt Cosmetics, the inside of their boxes. It's just so cute. So, what is in here? Oh my God. 2 palettes. Not 1 palette, 2 palettes. Thank you. I needed lips to put on my computer. My IT guy at work hates me because I cover my computer in stickers. Like, you can't do that! Alright, so I have not been on Melt, like watching stuff. I've tried not to watch for new makeup coming out, but there was, I saw something on Trend Mood about the Millennial Pinks palette. That's what this box is. And I really am into pinks and stuff like that, so I wanted to pick it up. Oh yes. Oh yes, look at that. That is fabulous. That is fabulous. I'm all in. All in. We will definitely do some filming with that. And then, while I was on there, I saw the Vita palette, and this is the package, and the fact that it had, like, Day of the Dead skulls on it, I was like, oh, you are mine. Yeah, so this is the packaging. The outer packaging is just beautiful. And then, like, the color palette just killed me. I was like, summer, right? Summer. This is a summer palette. So I just can't wait to dive in. So we'll do some looks with this one as well. Alright guys, so that is all of my packages. We are going to try on some clothes. And I may do a little voiceover for the clothes at the end just so that I can tell you what I think. And maybe how disappointed I am. I don't know. We're going to see. Alright guys, I love you so, so much. Thank you so much for watching. And, you know, I love that you enjoy me opening my packages as much as I do, because I love to share that with you guys. Alright, I will see you next time. Love you so much. Mwah!